Should you be pre-approved for a mortgage before looking for a new home? Yes, here's why. The pre-approval demonstrates to sellers and realtors that your financial and credit documentation has been thoroughly evaluated and that you can buy a new home. The pre-approval will provide you with an estimation of the monthly mortgage payments and the loan amount that you can afford, which includes the funds to buy and renovate your new home. This will allow you to be at ease when searching for your new home. Our team will review the following: your credit history, your income documentation, your asset account documentation, and if you are currently renting, verification of rent payments are required. Let's look at income, asset, and verification of rent in more detail. Income documentation if you are a wage earner. Most recent pay stubs showing year-to-date earnings for the past 30 days. W-2s for the prior 2 years. Federal income tax returns for the prior 2 years. Income documentation if you are self-employed. Federal, individual, and business tax returns with all schedules for the prior 2 years. A year-to-date profit and loss statement and balance sheet are required if more than a calendar quarter has elapsed since date of most recent calendar or fiscal year and tax return was filed by the borrower. Asset account documentation, checking and savings account statements for the most recent 2 months. Stock and bond account statements for the most recent 2 months. 401k or other retirement account statements for the most recent month or quarter. Be sure to provide all pages of each asset account. Are you currently renting? Verification of rent payment is required. An example of this would be the most recent 12 months of canceled rent checks. A photocopy of the front and back of each canceled rent check is necessary as well. After our team reviews your paperwork, we will provide you with the following: an estimation of the monthly mortgage payment, the loan amount that you are eligible for based upon your credit history and financial documentation. You will have one loan that includes the funds to buy and renovate your new home. What are your questions? Just stay on my YouTube channel and look for this video. What is the next step?